that? How cool does that look? This is the Renault Trezor. I'm going to show you around. This honeycomb shaped air vent feeds air into the batteries. Honeycomb shaped carbon fiber body. And then the coolest thing, fiber optic lasers as brake lights. How mad is that? Now I'm just going to shut the whole canopy here with this button. Guys, check this out. This is called active geometry. Look at what happens. It opens up when the tire moves. Look at it opening up there. There you go. Check out what these little diamonds do here. These little triangles. Look at that. It's like a reptile skin. It's almost like it's breathing. When the car detects an object that you can't see, it will let you know by kind of moving these little triangles. It has a glass panel over the top so that you can interact with the car. So they have capsules that come in through here that can just feed you stuff. So one capsule could be like sushi for your lunch, another capsule could be like a mini bar, and that's all stored in the front and fed to you here. Take a look at this car, you guys. It's completely asymmetrical. Both sides have a different purpose. This is the driver's side. This is about exhilaration, power, 1400 horsepower. On this side, you have a little cocoon for autonomous driving. Take a look at this. This side has a gull wing door. Look at this floor. It's completely see-through. And then take a look at this. It's a floating passenger seat. You've got an espresso coffee maker in the car. That's cool. I'm gonna take it for a drive. That off. Look at this. Even the Rolls-Royce badge on the luggage is weighted. This is so cool, guys. You've got this red light running along the bottom of the step, and that projects a red carpet all the way out here. The interior here, silk, leather, lounge, hand-woven wool carpet. As you can see, no steering wheel. This car is fully autonomous.